Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the iPhone to automatically call emergency services after a car crash accident on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Emergency SOS. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Call After Severe Crash. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. And it said that if you're in a car crash, iPhone can automatically call emergency services. iPhone will start a countdown and sound an alarm before the call. iPhone cannot detect all crashes. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.